Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'll be talking about my website come blog where I have uploaded PDF for the books. So you'll be getting free PDFs which you can download for free and you can check it out. Like various books are there. Also, if you want to purchase hard copy of the book, so you can get that. You'll get the link to purchase it from Amazon or from the online stores, right? So those things have been done on the website. That's what I just wanted to inform you, because many of the students, they don't know how to get the books. They don't have the access to the books. There are various websites. Okay, there are many other websites which provide these books for free, but only those you need which are very important for your preparation, and I have sorted out. I've tried to sort it out on the website. All right, so everything I'll be telling you in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's continue with our video. So here is the page, here's the website, and this is how it looks like. I'll be giving you the link to reach out this particular page directly in the description of this video. Also, I'll like pin this in the comment section below so that you can directly come up to this particular page. All right. So there is a post where it is like all important books for the preparation of CSIRNet, GATE, IT JAM, TIFR, like all these exams you can do with all the books which are given over here. Okay, so I have sorted it out. So for the organic chemistry, we have 12 of the books. Like you can see, all the important books are here, including your Caruthers, including your Claydon, including your Zoephel and Nands. Also, you have the books by Nasipuri, which many of the students follow for stereochemistry. Then you have solution manual also for Claydon. Then you have Jerry March. You have Stuart Warren, book by Stuart Warren. You have book by Jagdamba Singh also. Then you have book by R.R. Gupta. All these books like Nands and Zoephel, all these books are over here. You can click on this page to go to the organic chemistry section. Then similarly, you have books for the inorganic chemistry. All the important books are given over here. Similarly goes for the physical chemistry portion also. Like many people, they don't get books for the KL Kapoor. So here it is. Okay, so you guys can just check it out and you can download it, right? So you can just, if you want to go to the page, download page, you just have to click over here and then you will be redirected to the page where all these books have been actually uploaded. Now here if you see, this is the post and these are the books, right? So this is the William Caruthers book. Now if you want to purchase the hard copy of the book, you just have to click over here and you will be taken to the page where you can purchase the book. Okay, so this is basically the Amazon link, but if you want free PDF to download, you can click over here and you can download the free PDF, right? So if you want to make a purchase, let's say, you just have to click on this particular button and you will be taken to the page where you can purchase this particular book. All right, so you can see this is the page of the amazon.com, so you can just purchase this book from here onwards. Now talking about this, talking about the PDF basically. So if you want to download the PDF, you just have to click here, that download free PDF, and that's how you will be getting the access to download it. All right, now you can just download it from this particular icon, right? So that's what it is. So I just wanted to inform many of you, because if in case you are not aware about it, this is how it is. Okay, so yeah, see, the book is loaded. So yeah, you can download. It has 507 pages and so on. All right, so this is going to be quite helpful for, especially for the students who are preparing for the CSIRNet, GATE, IIT JAM, all these exams, and they want access to the books. Here it is, guys. You can access them, you can download them. Share this video so that all the students, all the other students, they also get to know about it. It took a lot of effort to make all these things possible for you. I just hope that these things stay available for you for the most of the time. One more very important thing, that if in case you guys want to contribute towards it, you have certain book which is actually very important and which you find that's not there on the website, you can help me out in that also. You can send me the link to the book, or you can send me that book directly on the email ID provided in the description of this video. That will be really appreciated and it will help to the other learners also to get the books, right? So like that, we can make a good library of important books which are actually important, which are actually required for the preparation of exams. So your contribution will also help over here. All right, so if you are interested in it, you can do that and I'll really appreciate that particular part. All right, so having said that, that's all from my side for this video. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys will take the benefit of this and just like try to share this video with most of the people so that others also get to know about it. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.